Hello, my new employer there in Hong Kong. I'm Isidro Fernandez Jr. I'm 36 years old from the Philippines. I'm a single father with three kids, two girls and one boy. It's my first time to apply there in Hong Kong. Here are my experiences here in the Philippines with my previous employer, named Gabi Ramos. We are two helpers. I was a gardener, become a houseboy, uh, taking care of two dogs, Shiba Inu and Bulldog, and also taking care of elderly, 69 years old. I worked for them for 4 years, and my salary is 10,000. And my present work now is a family driver here in my place, Usami City, Misamis Occidental, with my employer's name, Jason Gonzaga. My main duties are car washing, bring the kids to school, and pick them up. I work for them for almost 8 years since 2018 uh, till 2025, and my salary is 10,000. Mom and sir, if you will choose me, I will do my very best to do my job from the heart and do all my responsibilities. Hoping to hear from you soon. Thank you and God bless.